What's that? It's a brand new slingshot machine I built. It's supposed to bring you to the other side of the world. Whoa! Can I try it with you? I have Reboot with me if he can go. That would be awesome! Let's do this! Since we fall in different spots other than the same one, I also implemented a stick until you press the button again button. Sherbert, are you sure this will be safe? This will be. Ready for action! This was a huge mistake! See how fast we're going? Good night! That's 10 times faster than the average plane up in the air. Wow! I can see West Virginia from here. That's odd. I thought we could go through the Atlantic Ocean right about now. We should be in France. I guess the slingshot needs some bug fixes. Guys, we're gonna land on territory that is inhabited. Wait, what are you... Save us! Phew, at least they had a human afoot. And that's me! What is this place? This place looks like someone bombed a town and everyone left. Ah! Fire! Ugh, 2 hours later. Ugh. That fire's impossible to pull out. We also looked up what this place is. It's Centralia, Pennsylvania! What's that? The only town that is so dangerous that it was forgotten. We gotta get out of here! But, what if the fire could be put out? What do you mean? It's impossible to put out this monstrosity. There's only 2 that can pull it out. Come with me. Since we're not dead, let me do the talking. Ahem. Oh, hi there, Sherbert. Do you need something? Us 3 found a ghost town on Earth, and you need to put out the fire. You mean Centralia? That town is on our list of towns to accidentally fix in the future. I wrote the list, by the way. Yes, that one. We stumbled across it while I tried my slingshot invention. Tell you what, if we fix the town, you would have to stay at Jupiter's only town while we talk with each other at a restaurant. Deal? Deal! Well, we did it. Now it's our turn. I'll teleport you guys over there. Hey, I wasn't ready. Oh well, we're here. Say, where's Shenicle? He went inside that Jupiter restaurant. Ugh, they have Jupiter Frakinas for the specials this week. What's that? Jupiter food mixed with Earth food. The mixture tastes gross to me. I see. How about we go around this town? It's like a tourist attraction. There's Marians everywhere. Well, I guess. 3 hours later. Well, we did everything. Where's Shenicle and Tylony? I don't know. We're here.
We all won the deal. You guys can call home now.
Finally!
Sherbert, you gotta see this.
Wow! Shineko cured the city! I guess we learned something today.
Yeah, about that city, that is.
Remember this, guys. Fire isn't just a tool. It's a dangerous substance. Get help if you see a burning house. We don't want Central Island happening again. And so I guess that's the end. Bye, everyone. Hi, everyone. This is Sherbert Lucy back. You might be expecting a title card. Well, we'll get to that. First, we're going to introduce that I'm going to be teaching about me history, aka Mystery. Sounds a lot like Mystery on Earth, I know. It's confusing to a lot of humans. Today, on this episode, we have it brought to you by Anne Frank's Diary, a book that was published around the 1940s. Get this book if you want to support Earth's Anne Frank. In this episode, we're going to talk about Manne franken, the Mars version of our Anne. So sit down, hold your bladder for the school students, and get ready for Manne franken. As PBS says to viewers like you, well, a bunch of times I forgot to count, thank you. Enjoy this broadcast.
Oh my gosh! A diary! That's what I want for my birthday!
Huh, who knows? You might get it.
Wow, nobody noticed me. I'm lucky.
Because the happy birthday song is copyrighted on YouTube, this part is muted. Sorry, guys.
Meredith and I got a present for you.
Thank you, guys! Hey, what about me? I knew you would too. Happy birthday, man.
And that's what my parents got for my birthday.
Radical.
Radical? What's that word?
I don't know. Some guy named George told me it meant cool.
I never expected her to use that word. Amble, what's this say?
This means danger in Jewish terms.
Wait, what? And these papers with danger scrawled over it means that bad stuff is afoot.
This looks like a pretty bad symbol, too. Guys, I got bad news. Look. I have no idea what it takes. We gotta hide from the danger that will be coming in. I agree.
What about the things that we have?
We're only taking quiet materials, because a lot of materials is gonna blow our cover for getting away from the bad tidings. We gotta pack immediately. Let's go.
I know about this bad tiding you're talking about. It's about the,
Motzi.
Matsu! This is a secret. Nobody knows about this except us businessmen. Let me show you your hiding spots. Inside is your hiding spots. Call this the secret annex. Go up before someone sees this. I hope nobody finds this out. The Motsies? What are they? I gotta get out of here. Yes, stand on that X. What's this? Looks like a decapitated Jew. Let's take this back to the Führer and see what he can do with it. Haha! Take that for making some people hide. Now you Führers can die in this trap. How did you know about us Nazis? Tell us who told you. I'm not telling you until you stop this madness. I'll show you. Where is the hiding family at? Tell us now, or you are dead. Good God, okay, I'll show you. Good. Now where's that human specimen? I don't know. I just saw him and now he's gone. Are you fucking kidding me? He's gone? Ugh, we'll deal with this later. He's moving a drawer. A door, eh? Leave or we will shoot you. Let's go, Jew freaks.
Let us go!
Hey, shitheads! Let them go, or face my wrath of gunpowder. Let's shoot him. Agreed. Hurry, guys, hop on! Let me guess, he'd escape? There was no time for explaining the situation. There is time for explaining the plan, though. I'll ride this newfangled special Volkswagen I got days ago through incident like a crazy person I am. There is a rally drawbridge that comes every 3 p.m. due to main transportation. It's 5 minutes until 3 according to my watch. If we get there, hopefully we'll blast all of America through the ocean like a shooting star goes to space. If we don't make it through the ocean, we will sink! We got one shot at this. Everybody, hold on! What? Where'd they go? I don't see them anywhere. This is all your fucking fault!
This is quite scary.
You sure you know how to control this thing? I try my best, you're just making me lose control! Oh, look out! Gosh, Hunter just says just shut up!
Oh, look out! It's the monster transportation coming! Everyone throw the weapons out!
Close one.
Got another one!
Steer charge!
Yeah. Ah! No, due to loud start! Ah! Bullets in my eyes! Look to where you're going! Ah! I can't see! Oh look! I got 100,000 pounds full of cash!
And a hat. Yeah, everyone okay back there? Amatsu was back there earlier. Okay, you guys, I got enough power to hopefully let us through. Hopefully this will get us over there. Let's try this out, everyone. Last rocket. How many miles? Not long, but we can take a shortcut to Matsu Kano if you want to. Charge! Alright, you guys are Jews.
We're gonna make it!
What? I was reading Man's diary. Looks good so far.
Give me that!
Oh no!
The drawbridge is coming up!
It's It's over.
Oh man, I thought America would be here before he knew it. I can't believe we missed this opportunity.
It's not over yet. What do you mean? We're not completely out of fuel.
The expedition must go on! Hey guys, I can see the ocean from here! Guys, we're gonna make it!
But wait, is that a church? It looks like it, Motto.
Come along, everyone. Welcome inside today to this church. Welcome, Joanna. Good job. Welcome aboard.
Well, we're about to start. Here you go. Well, it's time. Let's get the show on the road. Whoa. New visitors?
We come in peace from the country we call Germany!
They are spies.
Get 'em! Wait! Stop right there! We the Jews come here for this important announcement!
11 minutes later.
And that is why we landed here, in your church.
I'm sorry for the loss of the many Jews.
And we, together, shall rejoice, for we are here in your country to help. And so, we then get moved into a special home thanks to the priest. And I made many books! In this world, and all my family lived happily ever after. Well guys, that's the story. On our next DVD, we will talk about Milan, a Aryan woman warrior who disguises a Aryan man to go to war. Hey! What do you think you're doing on my desk? I was temporarily using it. Got a blast! Oops! I just hope he didn't mess around with my stuff.